How to delete sent mail from receiver's inbox in Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then open Gmail. Log into your account. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings, which is on top right. Click on See All Settings and scroll all the way down till you find Undo Send. Click on 30 seconds and scroll all the way down and click on Save Changes. After that, reload the page and try to send email and you'll find Undo option. Click on Undo option. It will be shown for like 30 seconds. And that's how you delete sent mail from receiver's inbox in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.